Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making chicken wings. In this recipe you will need 4.5 pounds of chicken wings. We're also going to be using an air fryer to cook the chicken wings later on in the video. In this recipe we will also use 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of original powder ranch, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We will also use 1 cup of barbecue sauce. We're going to use this and some of the following ingredients to make a really delicious sauce. We will also use 1/4 cup of ketchup, we will also use 1/4 cup of honey, for this recipe, we will also be using 3 tablespoons of butter. Any butter that you find is alright. I'm going to be using sliced carrots and celery for my sides with the chicken wings, but these are optional. You can side your chicken wings with whatever you like. And just like the carrots and celery, I'm going to be using ranch for just the side dish. You can use whatever you like. Okay, now we're going to start seasoning the chicken wings. For when we're seasoning the chicken wings, we're going to be adding the salt, pepper, paprika, and also the garlic powder, and also the powdered ranch. And just make sure that you mix them all together and very evenly mixed so that they each equally get enough seasoning. Okay, now we're going to put them into the air fryer and we're going to cook them for 385 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Every 15 minutes, I'm going to flip the chicken wings. Okay everyone, while the chicken finishes cooking, we're going to add some butter to a pan and we're going to mix it around. Okay, now we're going to add in the barbecue sauce and we're going to mix it all well. Alright, now we're going to add in the ketchup as well. Okay, now we're going to add in the honey as well. Okay, now that all of the ingredients are mixed in, we're going to let the sauce cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, the sauce is ready now and we're going to head over and blend it with the chicken wings. Okay everyone, as you can see, the chicken wings are ready and now we're going to go mix them with the sauce. So let's get on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to start adding in the sauce. And just like when we were seasoning it, we're going to mix it very well so that it evenly gets sauce. Okay everyone, the chicken wings are ready and now we're going to head over to serve them. These chicken wings are so amazing. They are super good. And the best part of all is that they're super easy to make. You can eat these with whatever you like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I hope you guys will try it. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.